Did you know that admitting your biggest failure could land you the job of your dreams? Mark sat in the final interview for his dream position. Head of finance, six-figure salary, everything he'd worked toward for years. Then they asked about his background check. He could have stayed quiet. The bankruptcy was 10 years old, sealed records. They might never find out. Instead, he took a deep breath and told the truth. I filed for bankruptcy a decade ago. I made some terrible financial decisions and lost everything. The room went silent. He watched his dream job slip away. But the CEO leaned forward. Why did you tell us that? Because if I'm going to handle your company's money, you deserve to know who I really am. 3 days later, they called. Not with the original job, but something better. We're creating a new position, Chief Ethics Officer. We need someone who understands the cost of bad decisions. Mark's honesty didn't just get him hired, it launched an entirely new career path. Sometimes the truth you're afraid to tell is exactly what sets you apart.